Ase.
Hey, how are you guys?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm fine. What are you doing here?
Just here to ask you 23 questions with 23 news.
Well, that's a weird way of answering questions, but chale, koi
Are
nahi.
you ready?
Yeah.
Let's begin. On a scale of 1 to 10, how stubborn are you?
6,
On a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult are you?
9.
When I dance, I look like...
Oh, you want to tear your screen or break your television screen.
What is the most unprofessional thing you've seen someone do?
Well, lately it's been bloggers posting things out of context and trying to do ridiculous stuff. And that too for free.
Makes sense. If you were to write Jat and Bond in 2020, who would you cast as Jat and Bond?
Oh God, that's a difficult one. I think I'll probably try to cast Fawad and Ahmed again. I can't find replacements.
If you wrote a love story with you as the hero, which actress would you want to be as the heroine?
Oh. I think Aiza Khan. She's a great actress and she's a great person as well, which is why I've acted with her once before, so I think Aiza Khan, yeah.
Right, so apart from you, who do you think has the best sense of humor?
Everyone.
If you had to make a biopic on Fawad Khan's life, what would the title be?
बहुत हसीन आदमी की मुश्किलात.
Alright, similar question. If you had to make a biopic on Humayun Saeed's life, what would the title be?
जवानी कभी नहीं जानी.
What did you learn a little too late?
That people can be grey. It's not always black and white.
Interesting. So what is something you probably should do but will never do?
Should do but will never do. Relax, lie back and enjoy myself, which I don't.
So
That
what
much.
makes you different from most people?
I think a bit too much.
Which actor would you want to play you in a movie based on your life?
Oh God. Daniel Day-Lewis, if he can come back from retirement.
Alright, so what is the best conspiracy theory you can make up on spot?
Oh God. Well, I'll just go with the ones that are really hit these days, that Corona was created by a certain country and it was spread all over the world.
Right. Which Pakistani actor can score 10 on 10 in a general knowledge quiz?
I don't think any.
Right. So who is the most self-obsessed personality on social media these days?
You should have asked who isn't.
Interesting. So what event from the past do you most want to see a recording of?
Oh God. I would like to see the times of Rumi. Really want to see the thought process and how it all began and how it evolved and everything.
Right. Moving on. If you could read minds, whose would you want to read?
Is it only one mind? Read mind. Actually, there isn't really a mind these days that I want to read as such. So I think Quaid-e-Azam's.
Makes sense. Moving on. Who, according to you, is the superstar of the country?
I think it's got to be Humayun Saeed. No one has a bigger box office pull than him, and then now even on TV, so it has to be him.
Moving on. What lie do you wish you never learned the truth about?
Oh. What lie do I wish I never learned the truth about? That I'm a good actor.
Interesting. Moving on. I have a couple of rapid fires for you. Are you ready?
Oh, always.
All right. Writing, hosting, or acting?
Hosting.
Mazak Raat or JPNA?
JPNA.
Favorite character, your script? Jat, Bond, or Koji?
Koji.
Wasit, thank you so much for your time.